Using the VeriVide Portal, you can make a colour submission, whether a lab dye, print strike-off, bulk or other product, and send it to your customer as a digital twin. This image can be opened and assessed for colour using a set of special assessment tools within the DigiView software, and a decision to approve or reject can be instantly communicated back. Images produced in Digitise are colour accurate, captured under carefully controlled and uniform illumination, using a high-resolution and calibrated mirrorless Nikon camera. With the VeriVide Portal, you can keep track of your colour submissions, file and image transfers, and manage colour approvals and user notifications all in one place from your web browser. So, if you're ready to make smarter colour decisions, contact one of our experts at sales@verivide.com or visit our website www.verivide.com.